hot day and we're off to the beach. We are here. Took a while to get here, didn't it?
Yeah, there were.
But it's nice. It's absolutely gorgeous down here, but it took ages to park as well. It's busy. But yeah, no, it's nice. Let's go and find a space. We found a space. Absolutely gorgeous down here. Banana boat. Huh? Put it like here. Bought a little picnic with us, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we're now here. Oh, someone's hair in my mouth. Yeah. So we're here now and it's lovely, isn't it? Really, really nice. So let's get our sunbathe on. We're going to eat first because we're starving. Not had anything to eat yet. And then later, what are we going to do?
Maybe go in the sea.
Maybe. And also going to go and get some fish and chips. So that'll be quite nice. We've just had some food and we're now sunbathing. Relaxing in the sand. In the sand?
In the sun.
In the sun.
On the sand.
On the sand. On a blanket. You enjoying it?
Yeah.
I don't even know. Oh, there we go. There you are. I wasn't even pointing at you. I can't see the lens. There's lens. I swear I can't remember words now. I'm going down to see. She's over there. So nice that me and Ashley actually get to come down to the beach together. Normally we're both at work. But there's a lot of people on pedalos and banana boat. Huh? My phone, my mum just called me and I have my feet in the sea. Oh, it is going off. Where is it? Can't find it. Oh, there it is. My mum. This is amazing. It's so lovely and hot. I keep getting a few stares when I'm filming. Look at this, guys. It's so hot. doing some more sunbathing. I'm gonna get this one in the sea in a bit.
No.
Yeah. You just gotta come and paddle your feet.
I hate sand.
You can't go to the beach without paddling. Honey, you'll love it.
I think it's that.
It's so nice. Huh? He turned away from me. Fish are just over there. Yeah, pretty. Oh, there's boats over there, honey.
Yeah, it's pretty right near him.
Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. That's pretty. Let's see if we can zoom on the boat. There's another one just there as well. Enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Nice to chill out, isn't it? A lot of dogs there, isn't there?
Some big balls on that dog.
Oh, look at the beach, it's so gorgeous. The sun's like there.
You get there.
That way. Ash's gonna get us an ice cream.
See you soon.
See you soon. Love you.
See you
Gonna go and get us an ice cream.
soon.
Yeah, we have our ice cream. Well, Ashley has an ice cream. And I've got a chili billy.
Just change the B to a W.
Yeah, we just noticed that there's a helicopter over there, so I'm going to zoom in and see what's going on. Right. Out the way, ladies. I think it's going now. Oh no, it's just hovering. It said training.
Focus.
I know.
That's the Coast Guard one. That's the one that usually goes if people are in trouble.
Near a boat. Someone's broke down or something. I don't know. Pressed apple juice.
I was thinking
English.
getting you mango.
Mango. Oh, I really like that.
I was thinking of it and I was like, I'm not sure if you like it or not.
Yeah. But I don't think we're still going to be here for a little while. A lot of people are packing up now and going, aren't they? But it's still really sunny. So, yeah, and I keep saying so again. There we go. There's another helicopter coming across the beach. Focus.
Yeah, it's Coast Guard.
I think they're looking for somebody. I think they're looking for someone. Lotion. Ah! It's cold. I rub it in because my back's. Ow! Be gentle. Yeah, not like that. Oh, you're taking my skin off. My back's beginning to burn. I can feel it, and that hurts when he's rubbing it like that. Stop! Don't rub that in because you'll have your handprint on my back. Look, stop it! That's better. Let's cool it down a bit. Are you gonna rub it in? I think that's enough. I think that's probably enough, Ash. Okay. Thanks. Okay. What? It's a bit cold, but it's actually quite nice. I'm going to put my feet in the sea in a minute, I think. You going to come and put your feet in the sea? Oi! Stop! Thanks. Right, people start to go now. We're beginning to see the sea now, which is quite nice. Right over there, guys, that is Sandbank. Right there.
Wicked.
Right over there, Sandbanks. What's that building?
Bournemouth.
That's it?
Yeah, Bournemouth over there.
Okay.
Sandbanks is down there.
Okay, that's Bournemouth. There's a lot of flats. We're munching. Mini cheddars. Getting hungry now. I don't even know what time it is. Find my phone.
Must be about gone 5.
5:15. So I probably won't leave here till probably about 6:30, 7 I reckon. I think.
Probably before that.
Maybe, we'll see. Right, but it's pretty. I'm just chilled out.
Chip chops, goes down. 8:30, 9.
Yeah. It's getting quite late now. Just chilling really. A lot of people are going. A lot of people are going. So the beach is beginning to get a little bit
Beach is
bare.
like empty.
Yeah.
Compared to where it was earlier.
Yeah. Have you enjoyed your day this afternoon? She said.
Yeah, I have.
I said, have you?
Yeah.
I don't know what time did you get down here? 3? No, about 25 past 2 it was.
Yeah, but half 2, yeah.
Because Ashley worked last night, he did 12 till 6. And then I worked 7 until 10. So then he stayed in bed for a little bit. Stayed in bed till about 1, and then he got up. And then we headed over here, didn't we? Got some food. And come over here. But no, it's been really, really nice just chilling out for once. Just being here. We don't get to see each other much. We're working. Boat. I don't know what they're doing there. He's waving. Vegas. Come on.
Focus.
There we go. Condor ferry there, look. Bringing everybody in. That'll go through Pool Key.
It's actually going out, honey.
Wasn't it? No, it's coming in. Definitely coming in.
Oh yeah, yeah, it just goes that way, doesn't it?
Oh, you just... Thanks for that.
It's alright.
Chilling on me.
Well, you sort of pulled me onto you.
Yeah, well, I wanted a cuddle, so...
Peace.
Ow. Sun's starting to go down there.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't actually go down because we half the stage. But I think we're going to start packing up soon and make a move and head into Swanage and get some food. That rhymed. Do you see that rhymed? Yeah, so we're going to start packing up soon. This one's a bit go now. I don't know why.
Cold, that's why.
It's not even cold.
Yeah, but you didn't feel it as much as I do.
Looking forward to my fish and chips, you? One of his faves, fish and chips. And Swanage fish and chips is lovely. All packed up, on the way back to the car. It's been a good afternoon.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it, yeah. This car park was packed when we come, now it's kind of empty. At least we're able to spot the car. To remember where it is. Off we go. That's what the car park's like. Well, we're in the car on our way to Swanage, ready for our fish and chips. Ashley loves fish and chips, and well, you can't see it, but the view is really nice. So I just saw like the cliff top over the sea, and it was really nice.
Hills.
Over there. It was a cliff top. Yeah. Oh, look, yeah, I've seen the hills and that. But no, it was really nice. Going to the countryside. We just gone past the fish and chip shop and it's opening now. Sunroof keeps playing. Waiting for Ashley to pay. There's like a pay machine like well up in the car park. It's ridiculous. Walking down to get some fish and chips. Ashley's doing his usual. On looking for Pokemon.
It's called a Squirtle.
We're here and there's something on my lens. The queue is huge. So I've got to stand in this now to get the chips.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips. We have our fish and chips. Happy? I'm going to finish these. Well, even start them, should I say. Yum. We have finished our fish and chips and we're on our way home. I'm really hot. Sweaty. And I can't wait to get home. We're going to take the ferry back. So that should get, should get us home a bit quicker. So, yes. We'll see you when we're on the ferry. Right, we're going to drive back instead of going on the chain ferry because I have a funny feeling traffic will be crazy by there. So we're going to drive back and we will see you when we get home. We are back and as you can see, I had a shower and we've been relaxing for a little while, haven't we? Just watching a few things. But I'm going to end the vlog, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below and keep sharing my videos and I will catch you later.
Record-breaking medal haul. More than 300 athletes and staff flew in on a
Bye.
plane from Rio with double
Bye guys.
champion
Peace out. Bye.